Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I was replacing the batteries in our smoke detectors. And it's that time of year, and I do try to do that. Just definitely don't want a fire, and all this mess we got in the house would go up in flames. Well, about a month ago, I was looking through my batteries. I got batteries all over the place in little bins like this, and in little tackle boxes and stuff like that. So I saw this ad on TV for this and I'm going to try not to make this sound like an ad. I'm just trying to inform you of my experience of this thing right here. It's the Battery Daddy storage system. Holds 180 batteries, and it comes with a little tester. Well, it's $19.95 plus unknown amount of shipping, probably $7.95. So it makes it about $26, $27. So I thought, well, let me go on Amazon. Well, at the time, Amazon did not carry this. So I looked what they had. They had this one here. This holds about 90 some batteries, and it's about $12. So I thought, well, that'll do. Yeah, it'll do. And it comes with the little tester there in the back. Yeah, that'll do. No. I have, you'll see kind of an idea how many batteries I got. I almost filled this thing up. 180 batteries it holds. So anyway, I'm like, well, let me check, see if anybody else has it. Well, Walmart had it for $24.95. So it was basically $5 shipping. I'm like, I don't know. So then my wife, talked to my wife, and she says, I've seen that in my catalogs. She gets these collection catalogs every 2 days. And sure enough, there it is, and it's $19.99. Yep. But the thing you have to watch about collections is shipping. And on this particular month, it was free shipping if you ordered 2 items. Well, that's no problem. This is one item, and I'm sure she could find lots of things to order. So we ordered it. We got it for $19.95. Took about a week to get it, but that's okay. So I got lots of batteries. So let's put this down. So here it is. I'm going to show you this one real quick. This one's not bad. I quickly filled up the area right here for AA's and the area for D cells. Now, what's in here now are the leftovers that wouldn't fit here, or they were oddball batteries. What I mean by oddball batteries, here is nope, that's not an oddball one. Here. This is a no-name Shazam battery. I think my wife bought these a long time ago. I'll probably throw them away. The other problem that I noticed about this one is some of the batteries, now this is a regular Duracell, some of the batteries fit kind of tight in the compartments, so the sizing is not perfect. Plus, it only holds like 90 some dollars. So I'm going to use this one for OffBrand batteries, or I haven't tried it yet, rechargeable batteries. So that's where this will be designated. Because I have another box, another one of those plastic shoeboxes with nothing but rechargeable batteries. So let's look at this guy. Again, $19.95. I'm not trying to sell it to you. I just checked, and now Amazon carries this, but it's $36. Oh God! So some people jumped. So it's not sold directly from Amazon. It's sold by sellers on Amazon. $36. Wait, no, not gonna pay that. $19.95. Luckily, I got it from Collections, and because we ordered 2 items, it was free shipping. Lots of room. This is all AAA. This is all AA. This is C cells, D cells, 9-volt batteries, which I've used all the good ones in my smoke detectors, so I had to order a couple more because I ran out. And then this whole side here is nothing but AAA. Now, right now, I have some off-brand AAAs in here. And so I'm still trying to determine, I do have room now in this one for the off-brands. So I'm going to move these off-brand Sunbeams, knockoff Panasonic, but not really Panasonic, and this Shazam. I'm going to move those all over here. And they're for things that like kids' toys and stuff like that you don't care if the battery goes dead on them. So that's it. Both of them come with this little battery tester. It's kind of a go, no-go tester. That one's, let's see, you have to slide out. Okay. So there's the little battery tester. Test all size batteries, AA, AAA, C, D, and on the end 9-volt batteries. So that comes with both of these kits. Again, this one is about $12 or $13, holds 90 items. This one you can get it from Walmart. I just checked that, and let me see if I can find it again real quick. My computer will wake up. Right there. Oh, they also, I see now, they also sell them on Ace Hardware, Bed Bath & Beyond, and Walmart. So these are, oh, this ad says the $19.95. Let's check that out. Out of stock. Okay, Walmart's out of stock at $19.95. I can see, this is handy. Got a nice carrying handle. Boy, that's heavy. It opens both sides. Pretty cool. Thought you might like it. Maybe it's something you can get for Christmas, whatever. But my wife now, I told her about it. I says, now you don't ask me where the good batteries are. They're right here. And I showed her where I keep this. We're done. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.